police officer, found dead in the snow. But the real question is, did his own girlfriend kill him? Or is this a massive cover-up? Because this case has divided America. Some say she's a killer. Others say she's being framed.
I don't have a job. I don't have a home anymore. I'm just kind of in no man's land.
This morning, Karen Reed is opening up in her first extensive interview since being acquitted of murdering her police officer boyfriend, John O'Keefe.
Every waking hour, every hour, I thought about my freedom and if I could lose it. And those feelings just don't disappear when a jury foreman says not guilty.
Defendant not guilty or guilty? Not guilty.
The former financial analyst telling the Rotten Mango podcast her life after the verdict has not been easy.
I do feel I've had this delayed reaction to the persecution.
Prosecutors accused Reed of backing her SUV into O'Keefe and then driving away, leaving him to die in the snow after a night of heavy drinking. Reed maintained she never hit O'Keefe and was framed in a law enforcement conspiracy, which police have denied. The O'Keefe family has filed a wrongful death lawsuit against her, which she is fighting.
If any party to this thinks this is inflicting pain on me, you don't understand what I've been through and what I've survived and what I can handle.
Reed is living with her parents, and though she sold the rights to her life story to a Hollywood producer and is planning on writing a book with her criminal defense attorney, Alan Jackson, she says she has yet to make any money.
I have not made anything, not a dime.
But one thing she says she's still coming to grips with is O'Keefe being gone.
I can't miss him in a few weeks and say, just thinking of you, or can I drop by and see you? I've never been forced to deal with such finality. I've never had a death that close to me.
Reed expressed a desire to move out of Massachusetts, saying she no longer feels safe there. She also says she's now going to spend the rest of her life educating the public about their rights and tackling corruption in police departments. Guys.
Media, please exit the courtroom immediately. Karen Reed.
Not
yet.
Tony,
Hold on, everyone. Karen Reed. Ms. Reed, can I have your attention? As required by statute, I must inform you that the records regarding the charges that you have been found not guilty will be sealed by the Commissioner of Probation by the court unless you notify the Commissioner of Probation in writing within 10 days that you do not want these records sealed. To request that these records not be sealed, you may use the Request Not to Seal form, which is posted on the trial court's website on mass.gov. I cannot accept the form here in court. You must submit it to the Commissioner of Probation at the address provided on the form. Please be aware that if the records regarding the charges which you have been found not guilty are sealed, you will be unable to access the sealed record of the not guilty dispositions or any other records regarding those charges. If you want copies of any documents regarding those charges before the records are sealed, you should request copies from the court within 10 days. Do you understand? Thank you.
All right, so we need a date for sentencing. Can we do it next week?
We would be prepared to go forward today.
Okay. Okay. All right, so Mr. Yannetti, you're ready to go forward today as well?
Yes, please.
Okay, Mr. Brennan, what's the Commonwealth's recommendation?
Your Honor, the Commonwealth moves for sentencing. We recommend probation, 1 year, 24D program.
So the standard that everybody else gets on their first time OUI?
Certainly.
Okay.
We ask that she be treated no differently, no better.
So I'm happy to do it.
Thank you.
All right, thank you all.
1 year probation, 1 year probation on docket number 002, the lesser included offense of operating under the influence. 1 year probation. Thank you. The 24D program is. Thank you.
Goodbye.